So today I'm going to do a video that was requested. Hello friends. So today I'm going to do a video that was requested. On another video that I did, I had mentioned that somebody said they don't see me do door jambs in my videos. And that's typically true. You don't really see me do that. Well, I also said in that video, if you want me to do a video on one, just let me know. So, I'm going to show you how to do a door jamb. You can do this on your outside details. You can do this on your car lot details if you're a car lot detailer. And it's simple, and it doesn't have to be complicated. The first thing you're going to need is a microfiber towel. You can get an old used F1. As you can see, this one has stains and stuff on it. These are typically what I use for my engine bays, okay? So you can get just a used up microfiber towel and then you have that on hand. Get you a detail brush. Now my poor detail brushes, they're spreading out every day, kind of like my hair. You know, anyway, get you a detail brush. Have some APC available. And if you have a power washer, use a power washer. If you don't, use a pump sprayer. Use a regular sprayer with water. Whatever you need to have on hand to have some water available, that's all you need. You don't need much of anything. So let's get started on this door jamb. So let's take a look at this door jamb. As you see, there is, dirt up in there, and it's kind of dusty. And if you look down here, it's kind of dirty and dusty too. Now, I have not detailed this car yet. I just wanted to show you how to handle the door jamb. So hang on, we'll get started. The biggest problem that people have with doing door jambs is their towels get dirty. This is another reason why I tell you, do not throw your towels away. Hang on to them, because you can't complain about getting your towels dirty if you have dirty towels on hand. You see what I mean? We're just going to take our APC and spray it down. And you don't have to use as much APC as I'm using. But I'm doing this because I want that thing clean. It's just in my head. Kind of like those of you who use foam cannons. You cannot imagine it being clean without the foam. There you go. So I take my detail brush and I spray it. So let me show you the foam, or the suds. They're kind of icky. We have them loose. So now, we're just going to spray in there and get all of the APC off that we just then we'll take our towel and kind of mop up after ourselves. I don't get crazy about this. I just usually let it dry, especially if in my sprayer I put a little bit of rinseless wash. when it's dry, when you're dealing with an outside customer, spray a little bit of your ceramic spray in there, and that will help to keep the dirt from adhering to the paint and the plastics and all of that. Now we're done, so let's take a look. That's it. It's done and it's clean. That's it. That is about the simplest job there is. And if I was not making a video, this would have taken me 30 seconds. I mean, it really does not take a long time, and it does not need to be complicated. Save your dirty towels. If you have dirty towels, and I'll throw this little tip out because it's what I do. I have little buckets like this. You can see it was citric acid. There's towels that I used on the engine bay in there. That's where it goes. And then I will fill it up with water, and this is only a gallon. So I'll fill it up with water, and I'll put a little bit of APC in there, and I will let them soak. And then I wash them. And I put them in a separate bin. I have showed you that on another video. And whenever I need to do an engine bay, or even a door jamb, or wheels and tires, I got it. I don't have to dirty up one of my good ones. You know what I mean? So save those dirty towels. It's gonna help you along in the process. But we just did this door jamb with a detail brush that's about to fall out of my hand, some APC, and this is the mean green, and then we used a pump sprayer to wash it out. And that's it. I used the microfiber towel to wipe it out a little bit, and it was just to mop it up. It wasn't even to completely dry it or anything like that. So this is easy. Don't complicate it, and don't complicate it with the obsession that your towels have to stay clean. It would be great if they could all stay clean, but the reality is they won't. So save them and use them for the things that you know you can use them on. And there's lots of places on these cars that you can use them on. So with that, if you'll take a minute to hit that like button, maybe leave me a comment. Maybe somebody wants me to do another video. I can do that. It does not bother me to try it. And if I don't understand it, I will tell you. Because I am still learning myself in a lot of ways. But yeah, if you have a video idea, leave me a comment. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. So with that, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, whatever day it is. So we'll see you later.